Canberra has employed the use of Microsoft SQL Server databases in its full suite of Apex software platforms. It is very important to keep a backup of your database in a secure location where it can be recovered. In this Mirion Do-It-Yourself video, we will help walk you through the steps on how to back up your Microsoft SQL Server database. First, navigate to Start, Programs, Microsoft SQL Server 2005. Your version may be different, but all versions are similar. Then, to SQL Server Management Studio so that we can connect to our database server. Upon opening the program, you should be prompted with a Connect to Server box. Fill out the fields with your database information. The server name field is the computer name and instance. The authentication field should be SQL Server Authentication by default. The login field is the username you have set up for the database. The password field is the password you have set up for the user. Upon connecting, you will see a window similar to the picture here. On the left, select Expand Databases and find your database name. For this example, we will back up the database named CI_APEXAB to our backup folder. Once connected to your database server, you will need to browse to your database in the left window pane of Management Studio. Right-click on your database and under Tasks, choose Backup. A new window will open where we will configure where to save the database backup file. You will want to ensure that the backup type is set to full to get a full backup of your database. If you already have a destination file specified, then highlight the destination file that is already in the list by clicking on it and click Remove. Now click Add to specify where to save the backup file. A window will pop up asking you where to save the backup file. Enter a location of your choice. For this example, we will save it to C:\backup/today'sdate.bak. Now we have to make sure that the backup we are creating overwrites all existing backup sets, as appending it to an existing set can cause conflicts when attempting to perform a restore. On the left-hand side of the window, click on Options, and then click on Overwrite All Existing Backup Sets. Once this option is in place, all that is left to do is to run the backup. Click OK to begin the database backup. If the database backed up successfully, you should receive a message as pictured here. If the backup did not complete successfully, then write down any errors and please do not hesitate to contact our technical support team.